Good morning, Kyler. Good morning, Antonio. Good morning, Eileen. Good morning, Leah. We're going to be using our art to help us understand the different kinds of the clouds, okay? So, you're going to get to make one of the 3 different clouds that we've been talking about. Who can tell us what this kind of cloud is? Sorry. What is this kind of cloud called? Tanner?
Cirrus.
Not cirrus. Let's look at it. It's the big and the fluffy one. What is it? Cumulus. Very good. And those are big and fluffy. We also have this kind of cloud. What kind is this? Remember, this is our sign for it. Jackson? Cirrus. Very good, cirrus. And what do they look like?
Horsetails.
Horsetails. Great. And what about this picture? Alan?
Stratus.
Stratus. And what kind of, how do you know that this is a stratus cloud?
Because it's a blanket.
It's a blanket. It covers the sky. Very good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use cotton balls to look like these different kinds of clouds. So how do you think we would use the cotton balls to make it look like a cumulus cloud, the big puffy cloud?
Ooh.
Antonio?
Make cotton balls a lot of places.
A lot of places, yes, stuck together, you think? Does anybody else have any other suggestions? Ella? Smush them together, very good, because it looks like there's cotton balls. Let's try to make this stratus cloud.
Neither one.
How do you think you're going to make a blanket cloud out of these? Antonio? What?
And then push it.
Okay. What can we do to this cotton ball to make it long like a blanket? What can we do, Caroline?
You have to stretch it.
Stretch it. If I pull it out, it makes it nice and long, and I can make it flat. And then if I glue this down on my paper, and then I do another one, and I stretch it out. You're going to have to be careful with them. And then there's another one. Does that start to look like our stratus cloud?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see it's like a blanket. If you get a few more on there, your sky is going to be covered like a cloud blanket, right? So now you can see that you can make all the 3 different kinds using the cotton balls. Do you guys think you can go back to your seats and try to make one?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. You're going to pick one kind to make, okay? So go back, when I call your table, you're going to go back and think in your head and pick one kind of cloud to make, okay?
Cumulus. Cumulus. Stratus. 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 Cumulus.
Do they all rhyme? Cut, nut, hut, shut? Right.
And word.
Alright, now we got to match up our words with our pictures, right? So get them all out, and we're going to look at those ending sounds. Alright.
Tug. Where am I? Tug. Tug.
Good job. Line. See how they each have the same ending letters? Ut, cut, ut, hut, ut. See that UT, just like all of our other word studies? They end in the same UT. See it? UT. Look at these. What do these end in? Ugh, which is what letters? UG. Do they all end in UG? Alright, let's look at the last line.
NU.
Not NU, UN. Well, look through.
So that's
Un. Very good. Yep. So let's look at all these and make sure that they all end in UN.
Everything is not UN.
No. Oh, so what do you have to do? Where are you going to put it? So now where does it go?
Orange.
Go through and make sure they all rhyme. Double check your work.
I got nut, cut, shut, and hey, that is cute.
Oh, why did you change it?
Because we got UD. That's where
Ugh. Who can remind us about what we did yesterday with our story problem? Johnny? No, in math. In math. Remember what we did with the fruit, the bananas, and the oranges, and the apples?
We see how many are they.
Very good. We were seeing how many there were. Very good. Catch them and drag them out. Okay? So not yet. You got to listen. I saw some squirrels on a log. I counted 6. So how many squirrels do we need? 6. Okay, we have 1, 2. Let's help her count.
4, 5, 6.
Okay. And then another 3 came along. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We'll have our 3 here and we have 6 here, right? All right. How many squirrels do I see total? 9. How did you know that? Okay, so she saw 6, and then she counted 7. Alright, okay, you can have a seat. Thank you, Gianna. What's the equation that we're going to write? Jackson. What's the equation we write? Eileen?
6 plus 3 equals 9.
Very good. On this side. Anything else you need to change or add? What? What comes at the end?
Period.
A period. Do you have a period at the end? No. So we got to go back and add a period, right? All right. Go back to your seat and add and change those things, okay?
No.
Hold your flag up. Uh-oh, your flag is upside down. Look at that. What is making the flag move?
Wind.
The wind. Why do you think it's making it wave like that? What is wind?
Little molecules.
It is. It's little molecules. In where? Where are those little molecules?
In the sky.
In the sky and in the air all around us. And you can feel the wind. You can see it blowing my hair and it's blowing the flag.
And sometimes it blows down.
All right. Look at the clouds up in the sky. Look how cloudy it is out there.
That means it's raining.
It is. Okay, here's a question for you guys. What do you think moves those clouds?
The wind.
What?
The wind.
You think it's wind moves those clouds?
Yes. They
How
move
does
by
it-
themselves.
No, I think he's right. The wind moves the clouds. And it blows them in the sky. The wind blew these clouds. And what's falling from the sky right now?
Rain.
A little bit of rain. And what about that rain? Where's the rain coming from?
The sky.